Going to share a fun and easy recipe with you today, and it involves the air fryer, AKA my best friend in the kitchen. You know, air frying, I could talk to you about it for hours, but it really makes cooking creative. It really makes cooking shorter in length of time. If you're looking to cut back on calories, this is a great machine to have. Now, this is the exact air fryer that I have in my home kitchen. It's by Ninja. It's got 2 drawers. You can do 2 things at one time. I feel like it whispers kind things to me when I'm trying to create recipes, and this one is tremendous. So we're gonna make donuts in the air fryer. Quick disclaimer, I know most of my recipes are gluten-free. This one that you're seeing is not gluten-free, but down below you'll be able to find the gluten-free recipe version of it. Now take a look at this tray here. We took biscuit dough and then cut holes out of the center and cut around the biscuit themselves. So we've got little mini donuts, and then the piece that you cut out of the center you can actually use and enjoy and eat. Now we're gonna make them different flavors when we're all done. We're just gonna do this a step at a time. Here is the biscuit dough itself. Take your Evo, give it a spray of oil over the top of each one. What you're doing is you're just adding about a full teaspoon of oil to the recipe, and do it before you cut out the donut holes, because it will help your cookie cutter glide through. Oh my God, look how cute. Oh, that's so cute. It will help your cookie cutter glide through the dough itself. If you have no issues with gluten at all, then you don't have to worry. You can get the biscuit dough, no problem. Now, in select grocery stores, you can find gluten-free biscuit dough. Did you know that? Gluten-free foods come a long way. But this is a recipe that's great for breakfast. This is great for little snacks after school. This is good for desserts. You could make these donut holes and put them on top of your ice cream and be all fancy, and you could just roll them down the front of your arm if you wanted to. But out of each biscuit with this size cutter, I'm getting 3 and sometimes even 4 little donut holes out of each biscuit. Wait a minute, check that one out. Oh, we pushed it to 4. But think about it too. After you cut them all out, you get this little leftover bit that you can add in together and roll up and make donut holes that way. All right, placing them in the air fryer. In each drawer, you're gonna be able to get about 12 to 14 different donut holes. Oh my gosh, as a little girl growing up in Germany, you could buy little mini donuts right on the street in a warm paper cone. They were tossed in powdered sugar, but you could also drizzle a little bit of hazelnut chocolate sauce over the top. Wait a minute, cue the music. I'm going some places in my head for a hot second. And we're back. So, cut out the rest of your donut holes. We're going into side of the air fryer. Here's how it works. Turn it on. We're gonna use air fry. We're gonna go to 350 degrees, and check this out. It only takes 4 minutes. So back that down, go into 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna hit start. And we're off to the races making our mini donuts. We'll wait. All right, everybody, the mini donuts are done. Now, we made the donut holes in the air fryer, and look, we also have the mini donuts from where we cut the holes out of. Now that they're all cooked through, don't they look so cute? We're gonna dunk them into the different flavors. So grab your donut, right into the chocolate. Look at this. Come on. Turn that up. And then if the center of the donut is filled with chocolate, like said donut, just a little extra for you. We've got a little raspberry on the set with us too, so we're gonna make a little raspberry donut. Mini donut for after school. Look at that. Oh, doesn't that look good? Oh, this crew is so lucky. All right, then caramel. How about caramel? Dulce de leche. Get silly, make it delicious, make it your own. That's what sharing recipes is all about. They're just guidelines, really. You can make them however you like. Look at that caramel again. Oh, right here. 3 donuts, chocolate, raspberry, caramel. Let's keep going, because with the donut holes, we've got little skewers. So your wooden kebab skewers would work great. If you have the reusable kind, you could do that too. We're gonna skewer the donut holes first, and I recommend going in one side and out the other. If you pierce them through the top and the bottom, the butter is layered this way, so you wanna go with the layers so that you don't bust them apart. Skewer as many as you like. I feel like the Count from Sesame Street. 4 mini donuts. Onto the plate, powdered sugar. Check this out. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Don't be shy. The only limitation in your own kitchen is your imagination. So get silly. We've got skewers of mini donuts from the air fryer, and we've got the mini donuts. So donut holes and donut minis. Oh, come on, I can't even talk anymore. We gotta eat some of these. These look so good. Hey, if you like that video and you want to see a whole bunch more, you can head on over to QVC.com and check out my whole channel. It's all Mary all the time. Get on over there and get to clicking.